Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the world of beauty products with expertise, honesty, and a sprinkle of fun. If you're someone whose hair is in desperate need of repair or a boost in length, you've probably heard of Redken's Extreme Length Shampoo. It's designed to strengthen damaged hair, prevent breakage, and infuse your strands with biotin for that extra hair growth boost. So, does it live up to the hype? Let's talk about it. Redken Extreme Length Shampoo is formulated specifically for damaged hair, offering a gentle cleanse while targeting breakage and split ends. Infused with biotin, the shampoo promises to strengthen hair from root to tip, improving its overall health and supporting hair growth. The scent is a fresh floral fragrance, which I find quite pleasant but not overwhelming. As for the texture, it's a liquid formula that's easy to apply and lathers well, providing a clean feel without stripping the hair of moisture. When I started using this shampoo, I was curious about how it would hold up in real-life scenarios. After a week of use, I noticed a difference. My hair felt softer, smoother, and more manageable, which is always a plus for anyone battling dry or brittle strands. The shampoo didn't weigh my hair down, which is a common issue with products meant to repair damage. I was also able to style my hair with fewer tangles, which saved me time and effort. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, Redken Extreme Length Shampoo does exactly what it promises. It strengthens hair and helps prevent further breakage. It's also infused with biotin, which has long been known for its hair growth benefits. The fragrance is lovely but subtle, so you won't be left with a lingering scent throughout the day. It's gentle enough for regular use and worked well with my conditioner, creating a nice synergy for a healthy hair care routine. On the flip side, I did notice that it's not the most hydrating shampoo out there. If you have extremely dry or coarse hair, you might need an additional moisturizing product to really lock in hydration. Also, the price point might feel a bit steep compared to other shampoos that offer similar benefits without the luxury brand name. When it comes to value for money, I would say this product is worth it if you're looking for something specifically designed for strengthening damaged hair and supporting growth. Redken's formula tends to be on the pricier side, but if you're dealing with significant hair damage or thinning, it's a solid investment. If you're just looking for general hair care, there are other shampoos that may provide more hydration at a more affordable price. In terms of build quality, Redken is known for its high-quality formulations, and this product is no exception. The shampoo comes in a sturdy bottle with a secure lid, making it travel-friendly without worrying about leaks. As for longevity, I've been using this for a couple of weeks now, and my hair still feels as soft as when I first used it. I'm hopeful that over time, with continued use, the biotin and strengthening ingredients will show longer-term results. Customer support? I haven't had any direct dealings with Redken's customer service, but the brand is generally well regarded for handling customer inquiries promptly, so I wouldn't expect any issues in that area. As for updates, I didn't find any major reformulations, but Redken tends to refine its products every so often, so I'll be curious to see if this one evolves in the future. Now, if you're thinking this shampoo might be too expensive for your budget, there are a few alternatives worth considering. For example, OGX Biotin and Collagen Shampoo offers similar hair strengthening benefits and is much more affordable. It's worth looking into if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still targets breakage and thinning hair. So, is Redken Extreme Length Shampoo worth the splurge? If your hair is seriously damaged or you're looking for a shampoo that supports hair growth, then absolutely. It strengthens and nourishes the hair without weighing it down, making it perfect for those struggling with breakage. However, if hydration is your main concern, or if you're on a tight budget, you might want to explore other options. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.